So she's going to eat. Is this your first sushi?
Mm-hmm.
Her first sushi. I can't wait to see this. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that sushi here in the middle then?
All of them are sushi. I'm just laughing so hard. I don't know why. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Do you need me to count? You have to eat all of. Oh, okay. Okay. Your first sushi ever?
Mm-hmm.
How do you like it?
Well, this just tastes like shrimp and rice.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. See, I made. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Will you be able to try the others? There?
Oh no, those look like worms.
Wait, what? Was it okay?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, she did it. Wait for her to swallow. Okay. So you won't be able to try the
I'll
other?
try this one.
Okay, I don't know what that is, but I hope it's not.
I think it's a California
It,
worms.
this is California.
Yeah, okay, I'm not going to California then. I'll take this.
Alright, this one. Ooh. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3. Yum, yum.
Wow,
What?
that's pretty good too.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. I made her like sushi.
Hmm.
That's so cool. Oh, Joey's gonna see
Missing
this.
something.
Missing something, but it's good.
Yeah, this has a little bite. Little after tang on the tongue.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Alright.
What are those?
I'm not sure. But you can try it.
Hmm. I can't believe the aftertaste.
Alright. I'm not sure what that one is, but we'll see.
I don't know.
It's like they all taste the same.
No, not really.
Oh, you don't like that one?
No, they don't all taste the same.
Oh. You don't like that?
I can taste more of the seaweed in this. This one has a little bite too.
Oh.
A little tangy.
Eating my sushi now.
Yeah.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
I know.
Now you have to try this.
I did.
Not this one.
They were all the same.
Oh, they were?
Mm-hmm.
And this one. Just gonna try that one. You can do it. Oh my gosh. I'm so proud of you. Do you like it though?
That's not bad.
Okay. Last one.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. One of them might be spicy. I'm not sure which one it was.
These aren't.
That
one?
might be the California roll.
This one's a little. These two are a little spicy. And,
Oh, those the
and
spicy
those are a
ones.
little spicy. Those are sweet. And these, they don't really have any taste.
Yeah, those might be the California roll.
I don't see no fish.
You don't see fish.
Mm-mm. Or whatever
I
it
had
is.
to see. Yeah, raw fish. Yeah, you did it.
Mm-hmm.
How did you like it overall?
Maybe 7, 8.
8. Okay. That's good. Yay. Alright. High five.
Okay.
Okay. Good job.